And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com and inside the micro app profit system from Ken Bluttman. So Ken Bluttman just makes software. He just makes software that does things, and he does a good job of it. And a lot of it is to create games and things like that, games, mazes, puzzles, and so on. This is a different thing. And I want you to imagine now through AI, you can tell AI to make you a piece of software, and it just does it. So that's amazing. And you're going to see how this all works here. I'm going to quickly mention, you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a quick little description there, a picture of some 4 other apps that are making $6,000, $117,000, $800, $1,200 a month. So these are making money, and you can make any app that you can come up with the information and tell it to ChatGPT to make for you. And at the bottom of it, it's 4 ways to monetize your apps. Give them away to grow a list, create products, charge people to use them, flip the apps. People are looking to buy starter apps they can do things with and get ad revenue. Make your apps available for free to the public, and then maybe you have a related ad placement in there. Along with this, it's $27, like to start at the finish, and there's 4 apps that are already waiting in there for you. But here's the part you're going to love. Let's go inside. Again, it's $27. You can make all the apps you can think of. So let's take a look here. This is the home page. So once you log in, introduction, creating a micro app with ChatGPT, everything how to do it. That's about a 22-minute thing. And you go, that's nice. And then here you go to details. And this is, here we go. Here's the overview of the system, monetization of the websites, generating PDFs. Here's the files. Here's the Netafly. Here's the note opening the account, which is obviously where you're selling it, uploading to your own website, uploading to a WordPress website. So you're able to put these apps out in different ways. And like I said, monetization, they really just go and they go, hey, here's a quick little thing about how to monetize it. It's 24 minutes, so it's a bit more in-depth than me ripping through 4 different types. Bonus apps, I'm going to click it. Maybe I'll show you. There's one for geography, which is an app ready to go. Click here to download, includes commercial. This is your app. For $27, you're getting 4 apps. A geography one called Card Match Game. Oh yeah, that seems like a cool idea. Speed reading. There you go. And again, all commercial rights. Just click and download and away you go. And whatever the heck a Pomodoro timer is. Pomodoro is a type of tomato, so I'm a little confused. But okay, Pomodoro timer. So you got 4 different apps already. And then here we go. So when you click on help, you get product, glossary, profile, support, legal. And we won't do the logout part right now. But the part that's really going to matter to you are the home, showing off the basic information, and then the details. And again, this is a $27 piece of software that makes new apps, whatever you can come up with. Count the calories, come up with recipes, whatever you want to do. There's a million different things, and you'll be able to monetize them, as I said. So $27, click the link in the video description. Go check out Ken Bluttman's micro app profit system. There we go. And you'll go right to the website, my blog post at marketingsharks.com. There's a bit of a description there. There's the different ways to monetize it. And then you either click the link at the bottom of it or the product box at the top. And boom, you're on this page, not this page. You're on the page where you can purchase it for $27. So check it out. There you go. Fresh out today, just like a few minutes ago. It's called Micro App Profit System. Only $27, and you can make all the apps you can think of. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link and go check out Micro App Profit System. Enjoy.